Today I am gonna show you how I made this cool lithophane of BTS. I thought it would be a fun project to make a lithophane, so I decided to give it a try. Lithophanes are basically works that can only be viewed properly when illuminated from behind. And today I am gonna show you how I made this one, so you can make your own. We need to find a photo that we want to use. Today I will be using this photo I found on the internet. The photo should be high contrast so that all the details will show up well in the lithophane. And then using a lithophane generator software, we convert the photo into a lithophane. There are a number of free lithophane generators available online, but I will be using the It's Litho free online image generator, and I left the link in the description below. We then import the lithophane file into your 3D printer software. Then set the print settings for your 3D printer. The most important setting is the layer height. The layer height should be as thin as possible so that the details in the lithophane will be sharp. And also, be sure to use a slow print speed for a high quality lithophane. Now it's time to print on the 3D printer. The print is gonna take 8 hours. And then once the lithophane is printed, you can view it from behind with a light source. So I did something unique with this lithophane. I decided to grab my colored yellow markers and color some parts of the print to give it some color. Here you can see me coloring the lithophane, and it actually gives off a pretty cool effect. So that's it, guys. That's how you make a 3D printed lithophane. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.